Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to raise your credit from a 650 to a 825. The way to go about that is to remove your old addresses, your old names, and that will really help in removing all your negative items. So I have a DIY credit repair course down below you can take a look at, and also my inquiry removal course. Removing addresses is probably one of the most important things that I do in the credit repair process, and it's the first thing I do whenever I get a new client. I make sure there's no addresses that are not current, their current address. I make sure the employer is their current employer, and a lot of times I'll just remove employers altogether because information is what is used to keep things that are negative on your credit report. So remove old obsolete addresses. We need to remove all old obsolete addresses so that we can remove collections accounts, because collections accounts are tied to addresses. We need to remove old addresses, names, employers, everything we can to keep their credit report as clean as possible, with only pertinent information that is required to have a credit report. Because there are times you could delete so much of your credit report that you actually lose your file, because all a credit report is data that is just compiled together when you look at it. That's why there are situations where people have, like, if they have the same name as their father or mother, they will have duplicate information. Like, they'll have their bankruptcy or their collections account on their credit report, because just how information in this big pool is just gathered together into a credit report. You can raise your credit score easily, one, by following the steps that I have in my previous video, the 6 factors of credit. You're going to need 21 credit cards, probably about 8 years of age, and no late payments and nothing negative, and you'll pretty much be over 800 for sure. So let's analyze this situation. You pull your credit report, you see tons of nasty stuff that shouldn't be on there, and there's a list of things that need to be deleted, and you can tell them with the amount of ID theft that's going on that I'm fearful someone could mistakenly identify me with somebody else, like duplicate information. So there's all kinds of different ways you can dispute on a credit report. I have letters below in my courses. I have my entire course page. I got my DIY inquiry removal that focuses on inquiries and late payments. Smash the like button for me. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Another thing is duplicate information. A lot of what we can do to get a lot of negative items removed is just the claim. Not even saying that it's true or not, just the claim that this could be mistaken identity. Because whenever we make a claim against something on our credit report, it has to be investigated. And if the investigator turns up with nothing, they have to delete it, because that constitutes fraud. It's the Bureau's not having the information to back up what's on the credit report. So taking into account the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have to have a good updated report. Credit reports need to look the same. They can't have late payments or missed payments on the report. It has to be just completely clean through and through. I have my DIY guide below. That would be on my Teachable webpage. Or you can just Google Matias Financial Education, and I should pop up. Also, if you want us to fix your credit for you, I have a link below as well, where you just take a short little quiz and you can book your appointment with my team and we'll get you taken care of. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and stay tuned for more information on how to fix your credit, and how to manufacture spend, and how to do anything you want to know with credit. Thank you guys. Have a great day.